Welcome guys. So today we are going to start work with the IGCSE ICT 2016 February-March document production part. So in this one they said here in the document production part that you work for Mana Construction, which has office in several cities. You are going to perform some tasks to this company. So these are the house style specifications given, which you have to create the styles in Microsoft Word or in word processor, and then you have to apply these styles in your document where they are required. Here they ask us to start with your evidence document first, because we will need the evidences as well. So in the evidence document, our evidence document is here. So we'll just open the evidence document and we will name it that save the document with your work area as evidence followed by your candidate number. So I'm going to save this as evidence, yes, and then at the end my candidate number. Yeah, my candidate number, they say use your candidate number at the end. So my candidate number is, for example, 0297, and then I will save it as Word document in the same folder. Yes, just click on save. So it is saved as a Word document now. Minimize, or even it's okay, you continue next. Next they said you will need to place screenshot in the evidence document when it is required. So moving next, here they said you are going to edit a newsletter about the development of a new construction project. So we need to open this file m16 project.csrtf. So project, we have the file m16 project.rtf, enable editing, and let me reduce the zooming of my Word document. Yeah, and now they say use the page size to A4 and page orientation to portrait. So I'm going to click on page layout, page size I have to choose from here A4, and then orientation portrait, and here they said set all the margins to 2 cm. Whenever you start with the word production, word processor, make sure that your Microsoft Word or word processor settings in centimeter. At the moment it is already in centimeter. If not, then you have to click on file, options, advanced, and then you have to scroll down, and here is show measurements in unit of centimeter, inches, whatever, but you always have to select centimeter. So next step is to go to the page setup, and then size of all the corners 2 cm. So when they tell you all the margin, it include only top, bottom, left and right. You have nothing to do with the gutter and its position. So just click on OK. Size is done. Now place screenshot in your evidence document of page size and page margin setting. So you need to click here, hit setup, print screen, click on OK, and then go to your evidence document. So first margins, I have replaced one, the format, let me crop it. Yes, I am going to crop this one till this point. Yes, so it shows the orientation as well. Yes, that is only required actually, but if you want to show this as a whole here, even it's okay. And then the next step is to screenshot of the page size. So here then we have paper size A4 is selected, print screen, click on OK. Then in your evidence document, just paste your paper size evidence as well. Again, format and crop it. Cropping is always important because it shows the content very clearly, so there will be no confusion while marking, because the contents are clearly can be clearly seen actually. You see that now it is clearly seen. Fine. Next step, moving forward, they said save the master letter in your work area, use the format of your software package, and give this document a new name. So it means you have to save it with a new name, whatever name you want to give to your file. So I'm going to save it as, in the same folder I'm going to save, and I will name it, for example, just project or mana project, and I will save it as a Word document. Just click on OK. Now it is saved. Now next step is place in the header your name and candidate number left align and center number right align. So insert header sorry, blank 3 documents. On the left side they want our name and candidate number, so I will type my name here and then my candidate number, and here my center number, and I don't need this one, so we'll delete it, close. This is what they need here. And next step, they said place in footer the automated file name, right align including the file path. So insert a footer now. So I will choose again blank 3 columns and then click here, and we have an option quick parts field, and then we have file name here, yes, and select the option add path to file name. So you can see your file name here, and delete this one, we don't need it. So it is right align here. Just click on close here. Sorry, here is one more thing missing here. We need to replace this one as well, yeah, because as they said here that make sure all the alignment match the page margin should not be disturbed, and header footer are only are displayed on each page. So you just need to check, does it display on every page? So yeah, it is. Fine. Next step is create or edit the following styles. You will apply these styles to the text in the document. Refer to the house style specification sheet for detail of these styles. You need to create these styles now. Where you will get the details? What I mentioned earlier, here is the house style specification. So you need to create the styles with these names. So here in our Word document, yeah, home, here is the style option. Just click here and new quick style. Just name it MC underscore or hyphen title, then modify according to the details. They want the sans serif font. Sans serif can be the best option is Arial, and then the font size they said 36 point. 36 point. Then next step they said right alignment and single line spacing. So that is right alignment. For line spacing you have to go to format, paragraph, line spacing you have to choose from here, single, and there is spacing before and after. There is no before and after spacing. So we just need to click on OK, and then just click on OK. One style is created. Now one more style, as they said here, this style should be with the name of MC subtitle. Yeah, I'm going to choose only this one just to save the time. Yeah, and then modify, and we will choose here font size 18, again Arial means sans serif, and right align and underline as well. Underline, then we need 18, and we just click on underline, and then font size is 18 and Arial. And then right alignment, no before and after spacing. Make sure that the line spacing here it is single, so it is. Just click OK. Okay, then one more style, MC subheading. So copy this one and get from here new quick style. Just going to modify it, and we are going to use the same style specification, serif 14 point left line. So 14 serif, I always prefer to use Times New Roman, it is the best example. Yeah, and then after left alignment, no bold at the moment, no enhancement, they did not mention any enhancement. Left align, and after line spacing is 14 point. So format paragraph single and spacing after 14. Just click on OK, then click on OK. It is done. And then we choose here one more style, the last one, that is MC body. Just select this one. It is 12 point, yes, it is 12 serif, and then and then they said, yeah, 12 point fully justified, and after spacing is 12. So fully justification, we have to go to paragraph, and here we have justified, and then choose from here single line spacing, and after spacing is 12. Click on OK. Okay, no enhancement, yes, just click on OK, and that's it. Next step, going down now, as we are done with creation of style. Now they said evidence. Place in the evidence document screenshot to show how you created or edited the MC body paragraph style, which is defined in the house style specification sheet. You only need to show the evidence of the MC body only. So here is MC body, right click, modify, take screenshot of this one, print screen, and place it into your evidence document. Yeah, this is the one, this point. Just click on here, Control V, yeah, paste it, and then just crop the unnecessary part. Yes, that's done. Now this one, we need to click on the cropping handles. Yeah, that is done. And now the remaining part of the style specification, yes, which is here, the paragraph. Yes, now print screen this one as well. Yes, go to your evidence document here and just paste this one again, crop and remove the unnecessary part. Now just we need this house style specific, according to house style specification, the paragraph. Yes, that's it. Right, unfortunately we missed one screenshot here. Place in the evidence document screenshot to show this file has been saved. So that was our evidence 2. So we need to go to our folder here. As you can see, our file is here. We need to extend this one little bit so that the file name can be clearly seen actually. So we are just going to paste this one into our evidence document. So here's evidence document. You just place this one here. Yeah, and if you want to crop it even, it's okay, you can crop it. Cropping can be done easily. Yes, so make sure your folder name is not cropped, so we just need to crop it like that, just to, yeah, so you can see your file is here. Fine. Moving next, here they said insert a blank line at the start of the document. So we need to go to the start of that document, insert a blank line, and then we need to type Mana Construction News. So Mana Construction News, yeah, and then apply the MC title style to it. Select this one and choose the option MC title, and then below the title add a subtitle reported by, and then add your name. So just here, so enter and write here reported by, then your name and just your name, yeah, and then they said apply the MC subtitle style to this text. So select this one and MC subtitle, so this is the one. And then moving next, after the subtitle text, format the rest of the document into two equally spaced documents with a 2 cm space between them. So select from this point onward layout and choose the columns from here, more columns, 2 columns with the spacing between them 2 cm. So this is done. And then after they said that apply the MC body style to this text. So home MC body text, and then yes, the next we have to choose from here. Yes, in the left column before the paragraph enter the subheading, the company. So before, at the first column before the first paragraph, so here the top we just need to write here the company, yes, and then identify all the subheadings in the document and apply MC subheading style to each one. So select all of them one by one, yes, like this, and apply the subheading style to it. Yes, I'm selecting all of them, hydroelectricity generation, and then company news, that's all. Subheading style, you see the body style is not consistent everywhere, so we just need to cross check one time. We just need to select the text and we need to apply to it the MC body style so that all the document look like the same. You see, it was not selected earlier. Yes, though we applied the style, but still you have to cross check if something is missing so that your document is not disturbed because of this small mistakes. Yeah, so choose this one as well, and then from this point onward, yes, and just go to that, yes, yeah, now here select that rest of the text, yes, so that it looks like the same. Select this one and apply to it also, because it also include into the body. So hope so all the text is now look like the same, the body text I mean. Fine. Next step is import the image m16power.jpg and place this image on the first page below the subheading the project. So the project, below the subheading the project. So here just insert an image, then go to your folder, yes, m16 power. So we inserted the image, then after this image should be aligned to the top of the first following paragraph, align to the left margin, rotate on 180 degrees. So right click, or you can just click here, rotation, and horizontal. So you can just, it is now 80 degrees, or you can just go to the properties here, and here we have an option called rotation, yes, and just 180 degrees, yes. Still I guess there is something wrong. Yeah, now it is 180, it is straight now. Fine, it is done. Then they said crop the image to remove 50% from the right. So select the image, then choose the cropping option. The cropping handle will appear around the image. Now this point is the 50% from the right, they said. So just start, and this is the 50%, and just release your mouse, or it is still, it is little more, just to check if it is, yeah, now it is exactly 50%. Done, the cropping is done. And then they said resize the image 5 cm high and maintain aspect ratio. So just here height they want only 5 cm, yes. Now it is done. And next step they said make sure the text wrap around the image, and we need to arrange this one. Now we just right click, and here we have an option called text wrap. We choose option square. Now the text is wrapped around. Little bit movement need to be required with this image, yes. Now it is cropped and left aligned to the paragraph. Now moving next, format the table so that it fit within the width of a single column, and then no text is wrapped within a cell. Only the top row of the table has a light gray 10 to 20% shade. So select this one, or even from here you can select. Then we have an option shading here, and just select from here. They say 10 to 20%, so 15 is okay, but no text wrap. You see here the text wrapping is here. So what we can do is we can reduce the size of this column, this whole column, so we can get some space for the text to be aligned properly, yes. We have to choose from this point, yeah. Now everything is okay, no text wrapping. Now here they said no borders are visible when it is printed. We don't need any borders when it is printed. So just right click or select all the table, and then we have an option called no border. So there is no border at all, and you can see your table now. And then they say spell check and proofread document and check the spelling and grammar mistakes. So here we press the F7 button. So communication link, yes, communication links, yes, just change it. And okay, and then this one is to take the heavy connection traffic and to hold up the heavy plant. So connection, the construction spelling is wrong here, so we just need to change with the construction. Spelling grammar check is complete. Okay, and now your document is ready for print. So page 1, and that is your page 2. Hope you understand what I have explained, and we'll see you in next video.